Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best derma rollers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 12. Sonia Kashuk Microneedle Facial Roller. This derma roller will set you back the same amount as lunch, but you'll likely enjoy it far more, and far longer, than you would a chopped salad. It boasts 0.25mm stainless steel needles that glide over the skin gently to boost collagen production and smooth out the skin's surface. Also nice, it can also be used on the scalp to help improve hair growth and reduce hair loss by stimulating circulation. 1+, it'll help all of your topical scalp and hair treatments better penetrate, meaning you'll get more bang for your buck. 2. Number 11. ORA Lip Plumping Microneedle Roller System. Looking to plump up your lips without a cosmetic procedure? Yep, microneedling can help you do just that. The caveat: you'll want to use a derma roller and/or special head that's specifically made for lips, like this one. The super narrow size and ultrafine needles are choice for targeting this sensitive area. Just like you would with your face, make sure your lips are clean and exfoliated first, and use a serum, or, for even more plumping benefits, lip plumper, afterward. We'll admit, it can be a little painful initially, but results can last up to 2 weeks, making it worth it. Number 10. Nude Skin X Beauty Magnet 5-in-1 Rose Gold Professional Tool. Think of this as the Swiss Army knife of facial tools. For under $100, you get 5 different tools. There's a derma roller, yes, but also a rose quartz face roller, a roller, cum done extractor, and precise tweezer. All are super easy to use, plus, the compact size saves a ton of space in your bathroom drawers. Number 9. Prosper Beauty 6-piece Microneedle Derma Roller Kit. Being diligent about cleaning and maintenance is paramount when it comes to derma rolling. That means cleaning the roller head after each use, but also replacing it. That can be a little annoying and start to get pricey, given that for many rollers you have to purchase extra or replacement heads separately. That's why we love that you get 4 total heads in this kit, giving you some serious bang for your buck. Each one contains 600 durable titanium needles, and there's also a convenient storage case included. Did we mention that it's also super affordable? Number 8. ORA Body Microneedle Roller System. Microneedling isn't just for your face. It can be a great option for combating scars, stretch marks, and even reducing the appearance of cellulite, not to mention generally improving the overall tone and texture of the skin below your chin. 2. What makes this particular option choice for this purpose is the double-sized head, which features an impressive 1080 medical-grade stainless steel needles, allowing you to target larger areas on the body in less time. It'll also help your fancy body butters, lotions, and serums work better, which is a major plus. Number 7. Jenny Patinkin Rose on Rose Derma Roller. We love all the products this makeup artist/beauty entrepreneur comes out with, and this derma roller is no exception. A newly discovered favorite for Birdie Commerce editorial director Jessica Margarefta, the tool uses stainless steel needles and has the benefit of coming with an extra head, a feature that many other rollers don't offer. Note, you'll want to replace it after about 20 uses. Microneedle first, then flip the tool over. The other side has a rose quartz acupressure tip that's ideal for releasing tension in spots like under your eyes or at your temples. And can we talk about how freaking pretty it is for a second? Number 6. Stara Skincare Derma Roller. This is one of the best-selling derma rollers on Amazon. No easy feat reviewers rave about the results, particularly how well it helps address acne scarring and sun damage in addition to helping skincare products better penetrate. Dr. Skotnicki is also a fan, noting that the titanium 0.25mm needles make it a great option. Plus, it also comes with a case to protect it and it's well priced, she says. While it is super affordable, it's worth noting that the needle head isn't replaceable, so once it wears down, you'll need to purchase a whole new roller. Treat your skin to a spa day at home with our microneedler face roller that will instantly give you a smooth, youthfully radiant glow. Number 5. Anti-Age Home Microneedling Intro Kit. Along with the high-quality roller, boasting 0.2mm needles, we like that this comes with a serum that touts some proven anti-aging ingredients, namely hyaluronic acid and growth factors. 6. It's a dynamic duo that can help to improve skin tone and texture. FYI, the serum is meant to be applied pre-rolling, which is different than in some other systems, commonly known as collagen induction therapy, CIT. Microneedling is an advanced skin technique that uses shallow needles to stimulate the top layers of the skin. The treatment creates a release of natural growth factors, your skin's native regenerative proteins, naturally encouraging rebuilding your own collagen and elastin. Number 4. Stack Skincare Microneedling Tool 2.0. This Derma roller is US Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act certified, which should provide some ease to first-timers. While it's beneficial and safe to use on all skin types, it's especially great at targeting the appearance of fine lines to support younger-looking skin. In fact, in a consumer study conducted over 12 weeks, 72% of participants saw a decrease in visible lines when used as directed, and 82% saw an increase in skin plumpness. "This is my favorite Derma roller," says Dr. Skotnicki. It has very small 0.2mm needles that are stainless steel, so it's safe and effective. I have feedback from patients that this has helped keep their skin bright and even-toned. Number 3. Linduri Skincare Microneedling Kit for Face. Another super affordable pick, this also has the distinction of being an Amazon bestseller. Reviewers rave that it feels, and works, like much more expensive options, and as a bonus, it also comes with a skincare serum loaded with hydrating hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. The 540, 0mm needles roll easily across the skin, making it quick and easy to do your entire face in just a minute. Our 0.30mm cosmetic microdermabrasion roller is so easy to use and does not hurt, unlike other brands. Treat yourself efficiently and effortlessly with our Derma Roller Microneedling Kit. Be prepared for your friends and family's shock once they notice your youthful fresh glow. Our included vitamin C serum is a super powerful addition and everything you need to enhance your skincare routine. The main ingredients include vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, glycerin and more. Effortlessly apply the serum after derma rolling and watch the magic happen. Number 2. Healthy Care 540 Derma Roller. Understandably, you may not want to shell out big bucks on a tool you've never tried before and aren't certain if you'll like. That's where this very wallet-friendly option comes in, a great choice for those who are new to using derma rollers. It boasts 540 0.25mm needles made from derm-recommended titanium, and it can be used on both the face and body. For less than the cost of lunch, your products will penetrate deeper into your skin, leaving you with a smooth, glowing complexion and body. Needless to say, we're sold. Effortless. Our microneedle roller is the perfect complement to your current skin routine. Use your favorite products after and maximize their effectiveness. Skincare just got a whole lot easier. Powerful design. Our premium derma roller needling design is carefully constructed to make sure you get the best results possible. It takes as little as 60 seconds to use and will help you reach your goals fast. Number 1. Beauty Bio Glow Pro Facial Microneedling Tool. This is a favorite of the Birdie team, not surprising given that it was created by the inventor and patent holder of microneedling technology. File under why didn't we think of that? Rolling the 540 needles over your skin improves the absorption of topical products a whopping 200 times, but the benefits don't stop there. It also delivers red LED light therapy, great for fighting inflammation and further helping with collagen production, plus a unique vibrotactile stimulation to up these effects even further. 5. You can even purchase separate tips for the body, eyes, and lips so that you can use this top-notch tool from head to toe. It wasn't until about 3 weeks in that I looked in the mirror and thought to myself, damn, my skin looks good. Any signs of dullness were long gone, and I looked noticeably radiant and fresh-faced, my skin's texture smooth and even. I began waking up with the softest skin of my life, like, can't stop touching my face soft.